We're gonna send it. Welcome back, I'm Tedward, and today we've got a very special episode because we're gonna pull down this beautiful barn with that beautiful Unimog. When Team Champagne Ninjas bought that Unimog, of course it was cool to have a big Mercedes dump truck to troll around in that's essentially a Mack truck sized vehicle that somehow we can drive without a commercial license. But mostly he bought it so we could tear things down and run things over. And today we're gonna kick it off by tearing down this building. I'm so psyched because although it's incredibly fun to drive that thing both on-road and off-road, it's capable of much more than looking cool. So we've got Peter and Tony here rigging up the building so that way we can tear this down in this direction. I have no idea how this is gonna go, what it's gonna look like. So we had some problems with the Mog earlier where we couldn't get it started. We jumped it with the Suburban. Thankfully that's working. We've got it idling now. Good stuff. Always good to have your tow vehicle functional. We're happy that started. But what you can see up here is that Peter and Tony, they've rigged like through the frame, I guess like the chassis of this shed, in order to tear it down. So we've got some pretty beefy equipment here in the way of ropes and chains. This is not that intimidating here. We've just got some cable and some chain. But here's the cool thing. We've got this big rope, which is good for 131,000 pounds. Look at this. Bubba Rope Extreme Bubba. Braking strength, 131,500 pounds. Beautiful. Before we tear it down, let me take you into the Mog. You've seen it before in other videos, but it is quite the beast. The classic missing emblem. No, there was no crash. I know you see the Doug DeMuro video where that's gone, and then everyone realized it was the same Unimog when they saw my video because it had the same damage. So, pretty simple stuff here. You've got your pre-selector gearbox, which you do have a clutch, a brake, and a throttle like a normal thing. It's just that you pre-select the gears rather than rowing through some sort of H pattern. I genuinely can't think of a better use for this truck than pulling down buildings. We're gonna definitely run over some cars. We actually already have that in the works, so stay tuned for more Unimog action, but let's see how this one goes today. All right, let's see if I can remember how to do this. There's the parking brake. Wheel nice and straight. That's second. We'll go to first. And we're just gonna try to get this rope nice and taut. We're ready to go? All right, I'm just gonna roll off the clutch. The chains were not working, so we're gonna try 2 sets of ropes. They're obviously not as strong as that big beefy one on the back, but we've got to figure a way to manage the resistance of the building. So hopefully this works. This is going to be take 2. It's a little more desperate, but hopefully this will take it down. All right, take 2. Get her in first. There goes the air brake. Come on, I want to take a building with me. All right, take 2, a bust.
Let's see this. Yeah. Just,
wow.
Hanging on by a thread.
Jeez. Now the building definitely starting to come down a little bit. It's getting sketchier, but it ripped through that beam. You can see right there. We're gonna try to use this giant steel beam as a plow, but we just need something really sturdy to go through because what's happening is the thinner rope, it's like floss through cheese. It's just going right through the rotting wood. Get a little bit of tension on this thing. yank it. We're gonna send it. Let's see the damage. Whoa, we took out that whole side. Yeah, that beam went right through it. That's gorgeous. She dug in pretty deep, but I mean, there's not much you could do because if you poke too hard, you're just gonna snap all the ropes. So it's kind of a rocking game, and I try to just keep that tension on without snapping things, but in the end, the rope's lost. Take 4. Tony, you good? There we go. Yes! Let's take a look. Woohoo! Yeah! That's it! Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you need to tear down your house, you know who to call. Tony, Peter, and this absurd crowd of people who just want to destroy things with a Unimog. If you've got something that you want to destroy, leave something in the comments. Maybe we'll try to destroy it for you. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.